Hi, today I'm going to introduce you omega 3. It's 1000 mg. Even you can get 500 mg or 400 mg. It's not a problem. Actually, this one is a fish oil. This one is a very good for your birds if they are not breeding well or feeling cold. This capsule is coming out from this bottle from the omega 3. You must take out one capsule, and what you have to do is actually it's fish oil inside. You have to cut a bit on the corner, make a hole. So now if you can see, the oil is coming out. That oil you have to put on the bird's food. After you have to leave for the 1 hour, and don't put in the cage, just leave it out. And now all is empty. Okay, now you have to mix it. After mixing, must leave for 30 minutes or 1 hour. After 1 hour, put back in the cage. This one you have to do like this. In 1 week, 3 days per week you must have to do this. Like today I am putting in the cage, and tomorrow I'm not going to put. After next day I will do the same thing. Now I'm leaving like this for 1 hour. After I will going to put in the cage. So after 1 week you will get the very good result. Your all birds, any cage birds, you can use this formula. They will start breeding, and they will not going to feel cold, or they will not get any problem from cold weather.